Hello, everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our latest project, VoiceVision, an electronic eyes for visually impaired people. This groundbreaking app merges advanced object detection with voice output to create a transformative experience for the visually impaired community. With VoiceVision, your camera not only sees the world, but also describes it out loud. Utilizing the cutting-edge YOLO V10 technology, our app accurately detects objects in real time and provides instant voice feedback, making navigation and object identification easier for those with visual impairments.
Detected objects: laptop, bottle, keyboard, cell phone.
VoiceVision is designed to empower and enhance the independence of visually impaired individuals, offering a new level of freedom and confidence in everyday activities. If you find this project inspiring, please comment, and subscribe for more innovative tech solutions.